Hello everyone, my name is Hendrik Zeddies and I'm a PhD student in the Cluster of Excellence Phenoverb. I will present work today entitled Positive Public Attitudes Towards Agricultural Robots. This research is in collaboration with my co-authors Gesa Busch and Martin Keim. So why do we think this research is important? First of all, we cover the public perceptions, not the farmer perception. This is really important. Robots, when they work in the field, especially in crop farming, will be highly visible to general public. This is unlike technologies used in premises or barns. And if those technologies will upscale, and this is what we want because those technologies bear a lot of positive potential for farming, then the question arises if there is uncontrolled interaction with general non-farming society, not in terms of physical interaction, but people perceiving our food produced by robots. Therefore, we conducted an online survey among German citizens where we presented those three autonomous technologies you can see in the pictures from 1A to 3A. First of all, the fertilizer spreading drone, the spot spraying robot, and the autonomous tractor tilling the soil. And we compared it with nowadays conventional farming machinery. We tried to describe those technologies as neutral as possible. We collected 2,269 complete questionnaires from German participants, representative in terms of socio-demographic characteristics. Also, we surveyed knowledge about agriculture, involvement with agriculture, trust in farmers, and if the participants had heard about agricultural robots prior to the survey. Then, the general information and the picture description followed. Afterwards, the sample was split up into 4 questionnaires. So participants were randomly assigned to either put positive information about environmental benefits of the technologies, about labor market benefits of the technologies, or about food security benefits of agricultural crop farming robots, or the control group, which received no further information. Afterwards, attitude was measured using the direct question, should robots you have seen before be used in agriculture, and the ABC model of attitude. Furthermore, we surveyed potential concerns about those technologies and the food purchasing behavior of the participants. So how do the results of our survey look like? We can see that over half of the participants have never heard of agricultural robots before. The colors of the pie chart are also explaining the other charts. So we can see that socio-demographic characteristics also determine the awareness of agricultural robots. For example, higher education means that participants are more likely to have heard of agricultural robots prior to this survey. Now to the results of our framing experiment. What you can see here are the odds ratios compared to the control group, determining the effect size of the different treatments. So we can see that the environmental benefits and the labor benefits in the different models really drive acceptance the most. We detected also further important so-called control variables. So a higher trust in farmers determines a higher robot acceptance. The same is true for involvement with agriculture, the food purchasing behavior in a way that is climate conscious, knowledge about agriculture, and education and income. As a last point, I want to show you potential concerns about agricultural robots prevalent in society. We see that those technologies are neither perceived as unnatural, scary, or unethical from a majority of participants, but some issues drive concerns among agricultural robots. For example, cybersecurity issues due to interconnectedness of machines, potential of rising food prices due to high costs of machinery, and the retention of the human component. So what can we deduce from our research? We detected rather low awareness levels among German society regarding agricultural robots. and the awareness levels depend on socio-demographic characteristics. Furthermore, we have shown that positive information about agricultural robots, especially environmental benefits, can enhance acceptance. But interestingly, also the labor treatment enhances acceptance. This is especially important because we have seen that potential job displacements through robot use in agriculture are a concern by society, but it's even more important because labor scarcity could become an issue in especially European agriculture in the future, and robots could solve this issue. Therefore, societal acceptance of those technologies is important to further drive the adoption of those technologies. Therefore, we should put more communicational effort in explaining why those technologies are needed and what are the benefits of those technologies. Thank you for listening to my presentation of our research, and if you are interested in the whole paper, please refer to the video description.